Hello, good morning to everyone. Yes, today we are going to start our next exercise 2.3. Okay, and I hope every day you are doing your homework. And if you have any problem, ask to me without hesitation. Okay, you can call me or you can send me on WhatsApp. So now next in exercise 2.3, we have to learn first multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. In exercise 2.1, we have already learned what is multiply fraction by a whole number into 2. But now we will learn how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. Look at 2 upon 5. It is fraction, multiply 4 upon 6. So what we will do? So how will you multiply? Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 2 into 4, 8. 5 into 6, 30. Otherwise you can reduce in simplest form also. Simplest form means we have to cut the common factor. 2 for the 1, 2, 15. So what is 4 upon 15? Or 2 divided by 5 into 4 upon 6. If you don't want to multiply directly, first we can cut common factor also. Yes, 2 2, 3. Now multiply it. 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 3, 15. Like this one also you can do. Both methods are right. Okay. So now we will start our exercise 2.3. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1. 2.3. Question number 1. Find 1 by 4 of. So only first part I will do. Next rest of do yourself. Okay. 1 by 4 of. First part is 1 upon 4. B 3 upon 5 and C 4 upon 3. So first part. A part, what is 1 upon 4 of whose? Of 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 of mean multiply 1 upon 4. So what you can write? Multiply numerator, denominator. 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 4, 6. It is your answer. Next, B part. 1 upon 4 of whose? Of 3 upon 5. So 1 upon 4 multiply by 3 upon 5. Okay. So 1 into 3, 3. And multiply denominator and denominator. 4 multiply 5, 20. So it is your answer. Same as it is, you can do yourself. Part C. 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. Look at C part. 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. So what you will write? 1 upon 4 of mean multiply 4 upon 3. So what you will write? 1 into 4, 4. 4 into 3, 12. And you can cut 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 1 upon 3. Or you can do like this one also. 1 upon 4 multiply 4 by 3. We can cut numerator to denominator. 4 cut by 4. What is remain? 1. Here 1. Here also 1. 1 into 1. 1. 1 into 3. It is your answer. By this method or this method. Anyone you can opt. Okay. So now we will do question number 2. Question number 2. Multiply and reduce to the lowest form. Yes. First part. Second question. What is multiply and reduce to lowest form? Lowest form in there we have to write in. We have to cut the common factor. Suppose 8 divided by 4. It is not lowest form. 4 ones are 1, 4 twos are. Now 2 divided 1. It is lowest form. Or you can write 8 upon 6. Write in lowest form. Don't leave here. We will cut common factor also. 2 4 the 2 3. So 4 upon 3. Any common factor? 4 and 3 is dividing by any number? No. If they are not dividing, except then 1. Except then 1 if they are not dividing by any number, we will leave as it is. So 4 upon 3. It is your answer. So what we will do? Now exercise. First part. 2 upon 3 multiply by 2 and 2 by 3. So what we will do? First we will change mixed fraction into fraction. So 2 upon 3 multiply by 3 into 2 6. 3 multiply 2 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. Now what we will do? Any common factor in numerator and denominator? No. So 2 multiply 8 16. 3 into 3 9. Reduce in simplest form if it is possible. So it is your answer. Okay. Next, one more part. Part number 5. Part number 5. 1 upon 3 multiply 15 divided by 8. Now what we will do? We have to change in lowest form. Lowest form means if there is common factor we have to cut. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are. What is remain? 1 divided by 1 into 5 upon 8. So what? 1 into 5 5. 1 into 8. So it is your answer. Understand it? Now next part. Question number 3. Question number 3. Today is very easy exercise. Okay. Today we are doing very easy exercise here. Question number 3. First part. What is multiply the fractions? Multiply the fractions. What is 2 upon, I think it is like question number 2. 5 into 1 upon 4. Multiply the fraction. So you can write it 2 upon 5 into change in makes fraction in fractions. 5 into 4 20. 20 plus 1 21 divided by 4. Understand it? 2 into 21 42. 5 into 4 20. Otherwise you can cut. If you want to cut, you can cut also. 2 ones are 1. 2 twos are 1 into 21 21. 5 twos are 10. It is your answer. Okay. Exercise 7.3. Question number 3. Exercise 2.3. Okay. Okay. And after multiplying it, reduce its lowest form also. You can change in mixed fraction also if you want to change. So what we will write? So divide 21 divided by 10. 10 to the 20. What is remain? 1. So what we will write? 2 1 upon 10. It is your answer. Okay. 2 and 1 upon 10. Please change all the fraction in mixed fraction also. If it is possible. Okay. Next part, which one? Next part Part number 6. Part number 6, which is 2 into 3 upon 5 multiply upon 3. What is? Change the mixed fraction in fraction. 5 to the 10. 10 into 3, 13 upon 5. Multiply by 3. Now what we will do? Numerator. 3 we can write. 3 divided by 1. 13 into 3, 39. 5 into 1, 5. Now change in mixed fraction. So 5, 7. Change yourself it, okay? Divide it. It is your answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Which is greater? Which is greater? 2 upon first part 2 upon 7 of 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4, or second is 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. So we have to change it. Everyone know, if we want to compare two fractions, first we have to change in like fraction. What we will do? So first part 2 by 7. So first we will find this one part 2 by 7 of 3 upon 4. So what we will write? 2 by 2 ones are 1, 2 2s are 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 7, this one. Okay. Next part you can find of or 3 upon 5 of multiply 5 upon 8. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 into 1, 3 divided by 8. Now the 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8, which one is greater? We cannot compare. We have to make denominator is same. Denominator is same of any two fraction we called like fraction. So we will write after it. Convert them in like fraction. In like fraction. 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8. How will we change in like fraction? Like fraction means denominator should be changed. So we will find first LCM of 14 and 8. So write LCM of 14 and 8 is how much LCM? So you can find like this one, 14 and 8. Divide by a prime number 2, 7, 2, 4. Any number? No. Which can be divided by both number? No. So 7 into 4, 28. 28 into 2, 56. So how much LCM? 56. So now we will change denominator of the both of the fraction is 56. So first fraction 3 upon 14. 3 multiplied by 14 into equal to, we need LCM is 56. Denominator should be 56. So what number you multiply by? 40 multiply by some number. If you don't understand, what you will do? 56 divide by this number. 14 4 the 56. So what number? 4. Same number multiply in denominator by numerator and denominator. So 4 here. 3 into 4, 12 by 12 upon 56. Next is 3 upon 8. Same as it is. 3 multiply by some number, 8 by multiply some number, and we need 56. So what number? 7. Here also 7. 20 upon. Now from it is 12 upon 56, it is 21 upon 56. So if there is a two like fraction, which one has numerator is greater, his number is greater. So you can write. So therefore 3 upon 8 it is greater than 3 upon 14, or you can write 3 upon 8 mean it is, so it is, understand or not? So it is 3 upon, so therefore you can write 3 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 14. Same as it is second part, you have to do yourself of the fourth question. It is also a simple questions. Okay, same as it is, we will do convert them in like fraction, then we will compare. Always remember, if you want to compare two fraction, first we will change in like fraction. Like fraction means when denominator is same. And how will we change in like fraction? By taking LCM. We will take LCM both and we will convert the denominator in LCM. Understand it? So it is your question number 4. Okay. Now 4 question is left. We will do this in next exercise. Okay. So do this one only. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.